Welcome back to Review Geniuses. Today we're going to be reviewing the Keurig Hot 2.0 K425 Plus series. Okay, as this video goes along, I'm going to get into a more in-depth, hands-on review. As you can see here, you have the ability to brew a cup, you can brew a mug, or you can even brew a carafe. There's a 70-ounce water reservoir. It has different customizations, which I will show you the rest of this video. The box includes just a K425 brewer, the pods, carafe, and the reusable coffee filter is sold separately. I decided to go with the metal reusable coffee filter, so I didn't have to keep replacing them. I will show you that throughout the video later on. You have the ability to brew coffee, tea, and a variety of other things. Okay, I flipped over here on the back of the box. I'm going to show you just a different variety of things that you can actually brew with this coffee maker. You got hot chocolate, different kinds of coffee, you have tea, and a variety of other things. Alright, here we are, up close view of it. I'm gonna have my assistant show you the reservoir. So it shows you the liter, the max, the minimum. Now, this is removable, as you can see, for easy cleaning. And this thing down here, that is what sucks the water in, but you can actually put a filter on that. It doesn't come with filters, but you can buy filters and actually have your own water filtration system set up to this thing. Alright, let's connect this back up. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and show you the inside components. These components are designed to be removed so that they can be cleaned easily. That's what the K-pod goes into. And this piece right here is what the coffee falls onto before it goes into your cup or carafe. That's the inside. That's simply what holds those components. Alright, you can go ahead and put them back in. And just like that, the K-pod just goes in here, which I will show you later. And that closes. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and show you the bottom part, which you place your cup on. It has a removable stainless steel top for cleaning. It just clips right back on and slides in there, just like that. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and turn the machine on. Show y'all the different features. Now when you first start it on, it's going to be preheating, which I will go ahead and fast forward so y'all don't have to wait. It doesn't take long though. Okay, now it's done preheating. I haven't added any water to this machine yet for this review. I've drained it. One thing I wanted to show you is I want to show you when the water is low or when there's no water, as in this case, there's a light that blinks where the water goes, which is pretty cool. Alright, let's go ahead and fill her up. Alright, we're going to go ahead and drop some water in this. And you'll see that this light will turn off once it detects that there's enough water. So this is the digital touchscreen on it. Now it has different options. Go ahead and check some of them out. You click up here. Now you can see language, obviously is English. The clock. You set your time and your display. You can actually choose the analog display if you want, which I'll show you what that looks like. You can do the 12-hour, 24-hour. That's the analog. Now, the auto on, auto off feature, you can do energy saver, auto off, or auto on. So if you want to do auto off at a certain time, or when the brewer is idle for a certain amount of time, or auto on for a certain time. You could do energy saver. Alright, you can do your preferred brew settings. You can do K-cup, a carafe, or I don't know what the 2 is for. Number 2 setting, so it's just like a custom setting. Your wallpaper, you can select a different wallpaper. Like if you wanted to select the green one. And this is what it looks like. So it's green in the background now. Your temperature, you can set your temperature if you want medium, medium high, or if you like your coffee a little bit colder, low, medium, and low. Now you can do your high altitude if you live in a high altitude area. Your water filter reminder, which is if you set your water filter up on the inside like we talked about. And then restore factory settings. Alright, let's go ahead and brew a cup of coffee. I'll include a link down in the description so y'all can get this one if y'all are interested in this one. Alright, let's go ahead and start with the brewing process. Alright, so I got a stand down here that actually holds the pods, as y'all can see here. And I got some Laughing Man Ducali's blend. Some really good coffee here. Y'all should try it if you haven't tried it. Let's go ahead and put that in here. So you just insert it, just like this, into the pod thing. And that's all you do, you just shut it. And just like that, you're ready. And you can set how many ounces you want it to do. If you want 8 ounces, 6 ounces, 4 ounces, which I'm just gonna do 4 ounces. But you can go all the way up to 12 ounces. Do 4 ounces. You can select hot cocoa or other, or strong coffee. I want strong coffee. And you just click this button to start it. This is brewing, do not lift. Obviously you don't want to lift this while it's brewing. Just like that, your brew is complete. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment. I've left links down in the description on where to get this for the cheapest price possible. Thank you.